Yo, what is going on, guys? Hess here, CollectiveKicks.com. Got a couple pickups that I wanted to show you guys in this video. So let's go ahead and jump into the pickups. First things first, I ended up getting this from Adidas, and this colorway is insane. I love this colorway, and I am going to have this featured on a video in the future, but just a heads up on that. But you can see this is a Ultra Boost in. This is kind of like what an Oreo colorway I think should have been. But minus the black soles on the bottom here, which leave a comment if you want to see me black out the soles on this pair, because that's what I plan on doing. I think that it will look better blacked out, but this colorway is super dope and it's very, very accessible. If you guys want to buy these, they are available for retail at Adidas website. I'll link you guys in the description for those interested in copying. But look at this print in person. It looks really, really nice, I think. This pair is definitely going to go in rotation for myself. It's just a super clean colorway, so I definitely plan on wearing these a lot. But expect a future review in these, because I have a special video from Adidas that I'm going to be doing with this shoe right here. So this is the first pickup that I ended up getting. Super excited about this one. You can see I already relaced them up. As soon as I got them, I opened the box and went crazy. So that is the first one. The other one back here, let's take a look at this one. So this one's one I got from eBay, and I really wanted to get this pair. I haven't actually seen it yet in hand. I was trying to get this before Air Max Day, but I didn't get a chance to actually get before then. Let me take a look and see what it is. So it came with OG box, which I love to see. And for those that don't know, Air Max 360. And there's the air unit thing on the bottom there. And cool box. Looks like this was the label. Apologize for the glare. And it was on sale for 99 bucks back in the day, it looks like. Take a look and see. Hopefully these are decent shape. It looked like it was really good shape from the pictures. Oh, it's really lots of yellowing, but so at least they don't smell like smoke or anything like my last eBay fail with my Prestos. Definitely some crazy heavy yellowing on the midsole. This is supposed to be clear, and they didn't really tell me, but this one has a flat tire. I'm pretty sure these are popped. Look at that compression when you push it down, like fluxes. So I'm pretty sure these air units, pretty sure these are popped, dude. What the heck? You can see the bottom's a little bit too squishy too. Regardless of if the air is popped or not, I really got these for more of a display piece because I wanted to have an original Air Max 360 in the collection. And I actually had like 3 pairs of these back in the day. I love the Air Max 360 and the evolution of the Air Max. And you can see on the insole that actually, I'm gonna pull one out. Yeah, there it is. So you can see on the insole is the evolution of the Air Max from the Air Max 1, 90, 180s, 93s, 95s, 97s. 2003 and then 2006. So there's like an evolutionary timeline of the Air Max right there, which if you can see in the backdrop, I have mostly all of these in the backdrop now. Part of the reason why I wanted these is because I posted a picture of the Air Max 120s, the Air Max 180s, and the Air Max 270s all together. People left comments and were like, oh, what about the 360s? And this was definitely on my list. I've actually had this on my list to be able to buy a pair for a while now. I just haven't been able to make it happen, but definitely pretty yellow, but I got these for pretty cheap. So I was pretty happy. I think I got them for like 80 bucks or something like that. But this is the other purchase I ended up getting this week. Just a super OG pair. And I definitely jumped on these as soon as I saw them because of the orange colorway, obviously. But for those that haven't seen the Air Max 360s, here's it up close. You can see the logo on the back. And then kind of it's not hyperfused, but it's kind of a crazy material on the upper. Kind of a jewel Nike swoosh right there. It says Nike Air Max 360 on the tongue. And the overall kind of thing looks crazy, and it says 2006 across right here. It has mesh underneath here, and then the whole air unit is crazy. So this is kind of what we had back in the day before they came out with the whole VaporMax thing, but you can see the air unit on the back right here is pretty massive. And that is the shoe. All right, and just to give you guys an updated collection look at my Air Max wall, here it is right here, and let's go ahead and show you guys up close. Air Max 1, 180s, 93s, 95s, I still need the neon joints, 97s, some tuned airs, Air Max Deluxe, Tailwind 4, Kukinis or Kukini, however you want to pronounce it. 360s, Air Max 2016, and Vapor Max. 270 Forces, Air Max 270s. These are my Air Max Zero IDs that I did. Tinker Hatfield inspired. More Vapor Max. DB95s from Jacob. Off-White Vapor Max. Air Max 90s. Flyknit Air Max. Shout out to my Collective Kicks riding people for giving me those DB Air Max 95s. Be True Zeros. 270s. Flyknit 1s. And another pair of the Kukinis. So that's a full look at my completed Air Max wall for 2018. All right, so the last thing I ended up getting, I got a double box from Saucony Originals. And let's take a look and see what they sent over. All right, so here we have 2 white boxes. Cool new box. I haven't seen this one before. Saucony logo on the box. And shout out to John for hooking me up with this double unboxing for you guys. So this is the Saucony Originals pamphlet right here for spring. And I sent 2 pairs of these crazy shoes. So we have 2 pairs of the Shadow 5000 EVR, and these things look pretty nice in person. So it has a nice knit upper on here, and then you have the midsole here, and you can see they blacked out the Everrun on this pair. Nice leather heel cup on the back, and a nice leather pull tab on the tongue. This colorway is super clean in my opinion. All black upper and then mint sole, also the brown on the tongue. And then the other one, this one is like a nice summer vibe shoe right here, but white and gray and then accents of brown. And you can see the Everrun is white on this pair. And this stuff is really, really similar to Boost for those that have not tried it. Full length midsole of Everrun, super responsive and super cushiony. Great stuff. And something I wanted to point out at the bottom is actually full length Everrun on the inside, which I think is great. And if you guys are interested in copying either one of these, you guys can check the link in the description to Saucony's website. The triple white colorway releases on 4/15 for those wondering. But these things are dope if you guys haven't tried them out. They're really comfortable, and I definitely recommend you guys giving them a shot if you haven't. That was the haul that I ended up getting this week. Nothing super hype beastie or anything like that, but this is kind of the fun stuff for me, like getting gifted a couple pairs, a pair that I'm going to be using for the future video, but a super solid colorway of the Ultra Boost, and then some OG joints right over here in the 360s from 2006. Anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for stopping by and watching. And yeah, we'll catch you guys for some more sneaker videos soon. Peace.